Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the source and destination workbooks side by side so you can reference cells directly. Click the source cell with the number you need because linking preserves that live value. This avoids copy-paste errors. Once done, switch to the destination sheet, type equals, then click the source workbook and select the cell. Excel inserts a path-like file. XLSX sheet 1, $1. Make sure automatic calculation is on so linked numbers update immediately. Next, you handle ranges and formulas. To link a block, select the destination range matching the source size, type equals, then select the source range and press Ctrl+Enter to create multiple links at once. You choose absolute references, $1 when you want fixed cells, or relative when you expect copying to shift references. For calculations, wrap linked ranges inside functions, for example, equals sum file. XLSX sheet 1, $1, $1.10. This preserves live aggregation and reduces manual errors. To finish, save both files so link paths persist. When you reopen the destination, Excel will prompt to update links. Choose Update to pull current numbers. If a link breaks, go to Data, Edit Links and change the source or repair the path, because moved files are the most common issue. If you need dynamic references, consider indirect for variable file names, but remember indirect usually needs the source workbook open. This trade-off affects automation and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.